In the mystical forest of sparkling pines lived a giant dragon named Flare, who could breathe out fire bigger than any other dragon in the land. Every day, Flare loved to fly through the skies, showing off his incredible fire tricks to all the woodland creatures below. One sunny afternoon, Flare decided to land on a grassy hilltop to share his amazing fire tricks with his friends, the rabbit named Hoppy and the wise owl named Oliver. Hoppy hopped with joy, cheering loudly as Flare prepared for the biggest fireworks show anyone had ever seen.